My name is Dev. I've been a serious guitarist for over 3.5 decades. I want to help you improve in this instrument. Today we're going to be talking about movable major seventh chords on the top 4 strings. Oh yeah, this is Fretboard Friday episode 5, and we're going to be talking about movable major seventh chords on the top 4 strings. So these are chords that don't use any open strings, so you can move them around as long as you know where the root is. Now you probably played a major 7 like this for most of your life. Great chord, it's beautiful. Sometimes I want to add some more color on top of that without actually going through a scale or something. So these are 3 go-to shapes that I use. I'm going to go ahead and freeze the A major 7 with my freezer pedal here and play these on top like you heard in the intro. The first is with the root on the G string, so the A is on the G string here. Next, we'll use the root on the high E. And finally, we'll do another one with the root on the D. Now, there's a lot of other shapes, a lot of other inversions you can use on these 3 strings. I'm just focusing on these 3 for this video. So again, these don't use any open strings, so you can use them anywhere for any chord, any major 7th chord on the guitar. Let's try that with G major 7. You should probably learn like that. And we can do this with the root on the D, the root on the G. Now notice the root on the G, I can play an octave lower, like that as well. And let's do one with, what else do I have? The root on the high E. Oh yeah, the root on the D. So all of those give me a lot of options. And of course, you don't have to arpeggiate them like that. You can do a lot of really fun stuff with it. Works great with funk music. So those are some options that you've got. You can use these 3 fingerings and move them around.